What's up, students? This is Miss Henri. I'm the dance team coach this year. My room number is 2204 in the freshman building. I'm coming to you talking about dance team tryouts. So dance team tryouts are going to be next week, from the 5th to the 7th. The time is going to be from 3:45 to 6 p.m. Now, there's a few things that need to be done if you want to participate in tryouts. Step one, you want to make sure you complete the forms to be able to try out. This is a registration link to register for tryouts. So if you want to fill that out, it's on your screen now. You can scan this QR code or come by my room to get the paper with all the information on it. The next thing you want to make sure you do is complete your physical form. If you already have a physical form on file from April of last school year, you should be good. You just need to make sure you give me a copy of that. You want to make sure that you get it uploaded to Parent View. If you have not, you want to have this done before tryouts next week. So all the steps are in this link here. So if you need this paper to be able to get this information, come and see me in 2204 so that you can get signed up for tryouts and get your physical form completed. Lastly, I want you to get a teacher recommendation from 2 teachers. Just ask 2 teachers that you think will be willing to fill out the teacher recommendation, and they can scan the QR code, answer a few questions about you, just so I can have some insight on who's trying to join the team. Well, I look forward to seeing you at tryouts next week from the 5th to the 7th. You want to be available for all of those days, and tryouts will be from 3:45 to 6. Thank you.